Hi, I'm Billi Maddox and I'm gonna mess this up so that you don't have to. Now, I hate to break up the festivities of October and all the Halloween things that I've been doing. I promise there'll be more and it might get a little weird, but just go with me on it. Anyway, I felt like I needed to update, I felt like I needed to put out an update about the little notebook shop that I was thinking about doing and whatnot. Here they are. They're ready to go. They're ready for binding. They're all cut. They're all cleaned. They're ready to go. So here's how it's gonna work. This is what I've figured out, and I guess I'm gonna keep holding this like this awkwardly. I don't know, whatever. I'm sorry. I'm talking about myself so much. How have you been? How are you doing? Wow, that seems really hard, and I completely believe in you, and I know that you'll get what. Hi, wow. This is a little bit of time afterwards. The camera cut off while you were supposed to tell me about what's going on in your life, which is, I think, the universe saying, like, nah, doesn't matter. Who gives a fuck? I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. I give a fuck. I give. Anyway, so this is how the shop is gonna go. I explained this whole thing and my camera had shut off, so now I gotta do the whole thing over again. So, this is how the shop is gonna go, and here they are. They're ready to go, right? So, there's going to be a series released, right? And each series will have 13 packs, right? And once those 13 packs are all sold, then, after some time, there will be a second series of 13 brand new packs, okay? We all got that? All right, cool. But I thought that, it's not fair, right? What if somebody just wants to get something from me and they happen to miss the 13 packs or whatever the 13 pack series is? So I felt like there needed to be one that was perennial. Is that the right word? One that's always there in the shop, what I'm calling my little signature book. And it is I'm pretty sure I'm cutting in bits and pieces of me actually making this. It's not finished, but it will have, you can get the idea because you've watched me make enough of these that you can get the idea. It's just gonna have a white stamp somewhere of the logo. It'll have a white stamp, and these are plain pages. These are staple bound, and this is a natural cover, cover. So these are going to be the ones that are always in the shop. So that takes care of those two tiers. I don't want to call them tiers, but essentially there's going to be the 13 packs, which a lot of them will be one-of-ones. Because of the fact that I work with a lot of found objects, a lot of found materials, upcycled materials, sometimes I will only be able to make one pack of them, and that's it. They're gone forever. So keep an eye out. If you see something you like, you might want to snatch it up. If you see something that's a solid color, like, something like this or something, pretty much it'll be repeatable for a while. It may not come back around if it doesn't fit in a certain pack or whatever. It may come back around. But anyway, you get the idea. Some will be one-offs, right? Some will be one-of-ones. So if you got it, you got it. If you didn't, I'm sorry. And each pack will be sort of themed. Each pack will be themed. And I don't think the series themselves, the 13 packs, will have a shared theme. I don't know if I'm there yet. I don't know if I can do 39 notebooks that all have the same theme. We'll keep a lookout for that. I don't know what I'm saying. We'll figure that out. But for the time being, each pack will definitely be themed. They're not just going to be 3 random ones put together. We'll have some sort of consideration as to which 3 go together, either color-wise or there'll be some sort of thematic thread. So yeah, the 13 packs, a lot of them are going to be one-of-ones. So pick them up when you can. That's the 13 packs that will be each series, right? Whatever, I've explained that, I've over-explained that. There'll be that one signature notebook, perennial, blank notebook pages, just the natural color cover and a little white stamp of my logo. Of these, the cool thing about these is that they're all different kinds. Can you see that? They're all different page, like kind of papers on the inside. Some are lined papers, some are yellow papers, some are grid papers, dotted papers. You get the idea. They're all, some are blank. You get the idea. They're all sort of mixed. A lot of it is again, a lot of it is upcycled stuff and recycled stuff. Now there is another tier that will happen like once in a blue moon. I'm gonna put this down. My arm hurts. I'm out of shape. There is another one that will come up, and it is like a super limited edition. It's probably gonna be one pack, maybe even sometimes just one notebook, I don't know, but it's like an artist series, right? So they're gonna include like hand-drawn elements. They're gonna be made out of different kinds of materials. They might be collaborations with other artists, things of that nature. Those will 100% be one of ones. And those will be super special edition, like, you know, artist series or whatever. So those are the three series, three tiers or whatever. You've got your forever notebook that will always be in the shop. You've got your 13 packs in a series. Once those 13s are sold, then there'll be another 13 packs for series 2 and so forth and so on. And then every once in a while, those artist series ones. So that's it. Oh, and I've decided that I'm going with Etsy. So I'm getting all of that together. I've got to finish all these. I've got to take photographs of them because you've got to do all of that first in order to open your shop. You've got to have like, I don't know how many items or something. So, you know, it's coming. And that's, but yeah, I think that's it. And you know, this is just as an update for all the people that have been messaging me and sending me DMs on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, sending me DMs, leaving me comments, calling my house at 2 in the morning, showing up at my doorstep, knocking on my door, hey, where are my notebooks at? I'm trying to give you some money. Like all of that stuff, like this is your update for all those people. And all of that was a lie because nobody's asked me, so. Roll the thing!